In this video, best toaster oven with rotisserie.
Hi! In this video, we'll highlight some of our favorite products on the market today. Each product we feature has been independently selected and reviewed by our editorial team. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best toaster oven with rotisserie.
Starting off our list, at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3, And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2, in the list.
Introducing Cuisinart's brand new Rotisserie convection toaster oven. Now you can toast 6 slices of bread to perfection, bake a 12-inch brick oven-style pizza, or rotisserie roast succulent meats and poultry, all on your countertop and without ever turning on a full-sized oven. Choose from 12 specialty cooking functions, including pizza, keep warm, and leftovers. Or choose broil, toast, bake, and even rotisserie and roasting. Combine cooking options with the convection and rotisserie functions. Convection baking provides faster and more even baking and cooking by circulating air around your food, allowing heat to remain evenly dispersed. When you need to cook a large piece of meat, like a whole 4-pound chicken or 5-pound duck, select the roast setting and add the rotisserie function for perfect results every time. Use the specialized rotisserie programs that automatically change heaters and temperatures to precisely cook your chicken, duck, meat, or even vegetables. Because monitoring heat is crucial to the cooking process, the Rotisserie convection toaster oven is equipped with an exact heat sensor that maintains precise oven temperatures at all times. And when you're toasting, you can rely on Cuisinart's always even toast shade control for consistent results slice after slice. The toaster oven features digital controls with a large blue backlit display, sleek brushed stainless steel construction, an easy clean non-stick interior, and 1875 watts of power. It also includes a broiling rack, baking pan and drip tray, wire rack, rotisserie spit and skewers, as well as a hand grip to remove rotisserie items when finished. With so many options and special features, maximize your countertop space today and get cooking with the Cuisinart Rotisserie Convection Toaster Oven.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best toaster oven with rotisserie.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.